Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to reset password of Milestone credit card online. To reset password of Milestone credit card, you need to go through the website of Milestone itself. To do that, go to any web browser available on your device. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in milestone.myfinanceservice.com, then press on enter. With that, you'll be taken to official website of Milestone. Now here you can see your login box on the right side. Now click on the option of forgot your username or password. Then on the first you can see reset password box. To reset your password, you need to provide following of the details and informations. New password information will be sent to email address on your account. So first enter your username, then enter the last 4 digits of your card. With that, enter your date of birth, then enter your social security number on the respective boxes. Then click on the option of reset password. With that, you'll receive a mail. So go through your mail address and look for the mail sent by Milestone. Then open the mail. Then you'll get a link that will help you to verify, and then with that you'll be able to reset your password. This is how we can reset password of Milestone credit card online. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.